Hi, good afternoon. We're here to demonstrate how to make a rain gauge. My name is Leann Teichroeb.
And my name is Ashlee. The materials needed to create this rain gauge are as follows: 1 liter plastic bottle, 1 scissors, a 12-inch ruler, 1 stapler, a handful of pebbles, and a permanent blackmark.
The first step, with your parents' supervision, cut the bottle where the diameter is constant, meaning where the curve ends, like this. Step 2, add a few pebbles to the bottom of the container to keep the container stable. This is done for accurate measurements. Step 3, take the ruler and the marker, place the ruler against the container and flat on the surface. Mark the saturation line.
The saturation line is the combination of temperature and pressure where 100% vapor exists. Okay, so continue to mark the surface of the plastic bottle to create your measuring line in inches. This is outside the bottle so that you can be able to measure the amount of water. Okay, so now you take the remaining part of the bottle that you cut off and now you invert it inside the plastic bottle, and then I want you to staple it to the other part of the bottle so that it remains intact and doesn't move when rain comes in.
Right. Now, to test the rain gauge, we're going to use a faucet to test the amount of rainfall.
At this point, the rainfall has stopped and the rain gauge has collected the amount of water during the rainfall, and now you have seen where the level the water has reached, and you can measure that using the same measuring scale that we created on the outside of the bottle, and it is in inches. Therefore, the rainfall is 2 inches.
The purpose of a rain gauge is to collect the amount of rain that has fallen.
And the traditional rain gauges like these will need to be emptied out every day to collect new water every time.
And this brings us to the end of our video, and this is our final product.
Please like and subscribe our video below.
Bye!